5 bowlers to bowl 2 overs, power play of 2, so only 2 fielders are allowed out in the first 2 overs. The batting side can call for their batting power play between overs 3 and 9. So there's slight little differences between this and T20. Obviously it's a shorter game, but there's that swing. And off the mark straight away for Cameron Akmal. Nicked. No slip in place, and this will run away for the first Alubon 4 of the tournament. For the bowler, full delivery. Went for the Yorker early on. It is of it. No, he's trying to play that shot. Quick single. Might have been close if it had been a direct hit. Would have been very. Misfield. A little bit of a misfield. This one again, edge maybe just worked down towards third. This will run away for another Alubon. I think it was a slower ball, but this goes past that short fine leg, and it's another boundary. What a start to the over this is. This one hit over extra cover, over the captain. Deep cover will
2 batters.
Big shout. Probably hit him just outside. Went for that reverse as well, or hit him on the glove. Again, he's just bowling that quicker delivery, gets it past. 4 fielders on the off. Big shout again. Is this going on to hit the wicket? It is. Umpire deciding that was going on to hit the stumps, and they have 100 against New Zealand in New Zealand. Strong player. Typical South African cutter, puller, and he's off the mark with a Alubon boundary.
That's an excellent shot. He's
This one is just hit over the top of Chris Gale, who was at extra cover. He's a powerful player, and it's played beautifully. A little bit of spin as well, bit of bounce. This one cut away. This is massive. The first Alubon 6 of the tournament, and Richard Levy has it to his name. This one swept away. I think this goes all the way as well. There may have been a dot delivery. The T10 in Zimbabwe. Oh, little bit of swing, little bit of nip as well. Good start.
I was expecting him to take a new ball.
This is just heaved over towards the leg side and goes all the way. And it's such a good shot, and he now has. He's going to keep going as well. He is going to keep going. Does he pick the fielder out? No, not unless he's out of the ground. You were right. Gone again. Leg side. And another 6.
Oh, wow. Oh, Levy hits it big. Way over. That's his 50. Incredible. What a knock. Corey Anderson. We're back to some big swing. Is that going to be? Oh, brilliant. Now that took some special sauce. Whoa. Okay. Happens to the best. Corey, we feel for you. Levy goes big again, straight to the universe boss. Puts his body behind the ball.
He's a character.
Off the outer half of the bat, and that too sails for an Alubon 4. Oh, Richard Levy can't do much wrong. Oh, a high full toss now. That went over Chris Gale. I wonder if that's going to be a no ball as well. It will go for another Alubon boundary. It just has so much strength. I think caught the worst part of the bat, and yeah. No, he bailed out. Up in the air, and easy as you please for the universe boss, who makes it look like he's just one. Have to change his bat. That was the problem. So he is away, but Shahid's just. Slow one, well read. Is that going to go all the way? Yes. Cameron Akmal finally does what he was. Oh, the ramp. Well done, Cameron. Oh, the Shahid. Fantastic. Had plenty of time to line that up. Up in the sky, has he got the distance? No! Long on coming underneath.
To let you know there's an impact player that's been introduced, Richard Levy, who played so beautifully with the bat, is on the sidelines and resting with his feet up, no doubt. And Johan Botha from South Africa is in the lineup. He's an off spinner, and he would enjoy himself on the surface, I'm sure. He's going to have to combat Chris Gale. That's a nice shot, just laying that one off. Vacant area down there, he picks up 4 runs. He likes to Gale and strike, bit of movement. That's something that Chris Gale's going to have to watch very closely. Of course, when you get to looking to go over the top, down to third man, and that's gone for 6 off that big blade. Big swing and a miss. Nicely bowled by Taylor.
But you can see the way the...
I don't think it is a batting power play that's been taken. That's picked up off middle peg. Been worked away. That's nicely bowled. Try to go over the top. Misbar is camping underneath that. Takes a very easy catch. So nicely bowled. Sliding leg side. Prasad thinks it was a
ball now, and
flipping that way on the leg side in the air. Should be taken. It is taken. Just a little bit of overbalancing at the end, but that is a huge, huge wicket. Made into the attack, and he gets that nicely. And that allows someone like Corey Anderson to play shots like that. He's picked that up beautifully, and that's gone for 6. What a fine stroke.
Oh, what a stroke.
Terrific to see. Oh, it's a low full toss. That's hit high. It should be out. He's picked up another wicket, so that's good work from Prasad. Found the gap. Found the gap beautifully. That's run away for a boundary. Pinner. Leg side. That's going to run away for another boundary. Leg by. Can he capitalise? Looks to swing. Swings hard. And he's picked up another boundary. That's good work from Pinner.
Yeah, absolutely.
And he does. He flicks it away. And that's gone for 6. Good work from Pinner. This is a big over now.
Korea, good economy, best of 3 for 19.
But up until now, a bit of flight and a little bit of turn. Underneath that, has it gone over the top? Johan Botha's down there, but he's not tall enough.
Let's get back in this game.
He's got underneath that as well. Has he gone over the top? Yep. Just over the top by about a foot, that's all. But 6 run counts. Oh, and he's hit that out of the screws beautifully. That's gone miles.
Right, they've got to keep going.
That's a fine stroke. Goes for the low full toss. He's drilled that, and that's 4 as well. This time through the covers.
Charges
made. Low full toss again. Hard down the ground. And Johan Botha has always been a fine fielder. Was that adjacent? Yep, up goes that finger. So Ahmed has come back and he's done nicely. He's picked up a couple in the over. 3 for 20. That's fine. And it's also 4 runs. They need more of those. Short gets hold of that. Chases on. Not right out of the middle. Oh, it's a bit of extra bounce. And it's going to go for 4 in the end. But it's a big task. That's slammed. 3 extra cover for 4. That's nice. That's nicely played, and it's gone for 6. Just over the fingertips of Jerome Taylor. Chipped away. That's gone for 4.
Can only be a super over now.
Oh, he's gone big. Has he gone over the top? This might be another 6. It is. It's gone for 6. Oh, we might be on for that super over. Come on. Oh, it's beautifully bowled. My goodness. You can do nothing with that. Experience from Afridi.